Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have learned about the exponent or powers. What is the definition of exponent? A number multiplicated itself. Is it a number? A number is a rational number. Okay, a rational number multiplicated itself. It's how many times? Many times. Okay, it's called the exponents. Okay, it is in the form of a power m. Okay, a is a rational number and m is a integer. M is an integer. And then how can you read the exponential form? A power m is called exponent or power or index. Okay, and a is called base. How can you read? A raised to the power of m. Okay, how can you write in the general form to the exponential form? These are all we have learned in the previous class. Okay, now we are going to learn about the laws of exponent. Laws of exponent. We have learned 7 laws. How many laws? 7 laws. Okay. The first one is product law, quotient law, and third one is negative exponent, power of power rule or law, power of 0. That is called the 0 exponent and power of 1. Okay. Power of 1 and product. 7th one is product or division of the same power with the same power. Okay, so we have learned the 7 types of law. Okay, I will write the last name first. Okay, first one is product law. In your book given, commonly say product law. Okay, in your book given multiplying the powers with the same base. Okay, and second one is quotient law. This also in your book given division. Quotient means division. Everyone knows this. Okay, so dividing the powers with the same base. Okay, and third one, negative exponent. Negative exponent, and fourth one, power of power law. Negative exponent rule. Okay, rule or law. Okay, and power of power law. Okay, power of power law. And fifth one, 0 exponent. In your book is given raise a number, raising a number to the power of 0. Power of 0. Okay, and sixth one, power of 1. Okay, power of 1. law. Power of 1 law means raising the number to the power of 1. And last one law, product or multiplying. Okay, products are multiplying or dividing the base with same exponent or power. Okay, same exponent. Okay, so what are the laws? Product law, quotient law, negative exponent, power of power, zero exponent, power of 1. Final one is multiplying or dividing the base with the same exponent. Okay, see the first one, product law. Its a general form is x power a product x power b is equal to, the base are same, is it? Multiplying the powers with the same base. So base are same, the product is given in a number. Consider the base as x, the power will be added. So a plus b. So what is the rule of product? X power a into x power b is equal to x power a plus b. X power a plus b. Base are same, then we have added the powers. That is the first one. Example, six power 3 into 6 power 4. The base values are same. Which operation is given? Product or multiplication. So what we do? The base we have right first, after add the powers. So 3 plus 4. So answer is 6 power 7 or 6 raised to the power of 7. Okay, say another one of the example, 2 by 5. Rational number, is it? The power is 2 into 2 by 5, the power of 3. The base values are same, so we have added the powers. So 2 by 5, the power value is 2 plus 3. So what we get? 2 by 5, the power of 5 is the answer. This is called the product law. This is called the product law, or multiplying the powers with the same base. Okay, next one, quotient law. Quotient law means division, is it? Division. So division means it can written as x power a divide x power b. Okay, it can written as, for your understanding, briefly explain, listen ma. X power a divide means divisible by x power b. Okay, so the denominator move to the numerator negative. Okay, so numerator value is x power a, the denominator value is x power b, x power b. Okay, so move to the numerator is negative. Okay, so division move to numerator is multiplication. So x power of minus b. Do you understand in this place? Listen, say again, listen ma. X power a divided by x power b, the power, the first numerator value is same, so first you have write, after division move to the numerator, division the denominator move to the numerator, the division change to multiplication. The power of plus b write in the negative. Therefore, x power a minus b. So what is the formula for quotient law? X power a divided by x power b is equal to x power a minus b. Do you understand the formula? Okay, so what is the formula for quotient law? X power a divided by x power b is equal to x power a minus b. In case b value is greater in negative exponent, you got it. Okay, you will do in a problem. I will explain that concept. Okay, see example. Two power 3 divided by 2 power 5. Okay, so b value is greater value. Listen. So what is the value? The base value is 2. Okay. Now powers are subtracted. Okay, 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. So what is the value? You know that rational numbers, integers, everything. Okay, so here different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So subtract 3 minus 5 is 2. The greater number sign is minus. Now only tell, is it? The b value is greater, we get the negative exponent. Okay, so 2 power of minus 2. 2 power of minus 2. Okay, we write in the positive value. It can return as numerator. Denominator reciprocal. So 1 by 2 power 2. 1 by 2 power 2. Write in the positive. Okay, see one more example. Three by 5 the whole power 7. Everyone should copy in our class work note. Okay, so 3 by 5 the whole power 7 divided by 3 by 5 the power 3. Okay, here the first power is greater value, so we get the positive value. Okay, so base value is 3 by 5. What is the formula? X power a divided by x power b is equal to x power a minus b. A value is 7, b value is 3. So 3 by 5 the whole power 4. Okay, 7 minus 3 is 4. Now move to the next one, negative exponent. We got one of the example for that problem. Okay, this is an example for negative exponent also we have considered. Okay, see, stop 2 power minus 2 is the negative exponent. Okay, so what is the definition of negative exponent? X power minus a. Okay, x power minus a is equal to, it can write in positively power, so come write in the reciprocal, that's all. So x power a, x power of a, that is called the negative exponent. It's called the negative exponent. Example, what is the formula for quotient? A, x power a divide x power b is equal to x power of a minus b. Okay, so third one example, 2 power minus 7. So it's called the negative exponent. How can you write? Write in the reciprocal, 2 power of 7. Okay, one more example. 6 by 7 the power of minus 3. So first, how can you write in the negative exponent? So 1 by, okay, 6 by 7 the whole power 3. Is it? Whole power 3. It can write, how can you, what is the meaning of 6 by 7 the whole power 7? So 6 power of 3 by 7 power of 3. Okay, so it write in the numerator, is it? So 7 by 6 the whole power of 3. 7 by 6 the whole power of 3 also we can written. Okay, idhum correct, idhum correct. எப்படியும் எழுதலாம். Okay அம்மா. And next one, power of power. Power of power means x power a the whole power of b is equal to x power of a b. Okay, this is called the power of power. Power of power law. Power of power law. Here a and b are the positive integers. Here a and b are the positive integers. See the example. Two power 3 the whole power 4. So what we do? So power of power is given. So write the base first. Power will be multiplied. So 2 into 4. So what we get? 2 power 2 4s are 8. That's all. Okay. Then same one, rational number is given. For example, rational number minus 2 by 3 the whole number whole power 4. The whole power 2 is given. So what we do? So power of power law we have applied. So minus 2 by 3. What is the power value? Minus 4 into 4. What we get? Minus 2 by 3. Power of 2 4s are 8. That's it. Okay. And next one. Fifth one of the law, 0 exponent. Anything power 0, 1. Anything power 0. So the x power 0 is equal to 1. This is a common formula. Example, 100 power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Another one of the example. A power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. 1000 power of 0. So anything power of 0 is 1. That is called the 0 exponent. 0 exponent. And sixth one of the law, power of 1. Okay. Any number power with 1, we get the same number. We get the same number. Okay. So raising a number to the power of 1 means x power 1 is equal to x. X power 1 is equal to x. Example, 17 power 1 is equal to 17. Okay. 10 power 1 is equal to 10. This is called the power of 1. This is called the power of 1 law. And final one, multiplying or dividing the base with the same exponent. The same exponent. Okay. See, once again I recall all the laws. Product law, what is the formula? X power a into x power b is equal to x power of a plus b. The base values are same and given in the product we have add the powers. And second one, quotient law. Quotient law, the formula is x power a divided by x power b is equal to x power of a minus b. If the b value is greater than the a value, we got the negative exponent. And negative exponent means x power of minus a is equal to 1 by x power a. Okay. And next one, power of power rule. So power of power rule is given, x power a power of b. So power will be multiply. Power will be multiply. That is x a into b, and then 0 exponent. 0 exponent means any number, any base value with the power 0, we get the value as 1, and then power of 1, any base value with the power with 1, we get the same value, and final multiply or dividing the base with the same exponent. Seventh one of the law, multiplying or dividing the base with the same exponent. So first one, the formula for this one, okay, so x power a into y power b is equal to same power, is it, with the same exponents. So base are different. Okay, in a product rule the base are same. Okay, powers are different. Here the powers are same. Okay, with the same exponent. So x power a into y power a, it can write that we have multiply the base values. Okay, that is a multiply the base. Okay, so x into y, the power of a, that is xy, the whole power a. Okay, division x by y, the whole power a. Okay, see the example. Power 3 into 3 power 3. Okay, how can you write? The base values are different, so we have used the same exponent. So multiplying the base values, so 2 into 3, the whole power 3. 2 3s are 6 power 3, 6 power 3. Okay, and next one, second one of that example. Okay, 3, in your book briefly given, like listen, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. After multiply the pairs like that, need not to write, we have directly apply the formula. Which formula? Multiply or dividing the base with the same exponent. So what is the formula? X power a into y power a is equal to x into y, the power a, that is xy, the product of xy, the whole power a. Okay, we have directly write. And next one, 3 power minus 4 into 4 power minus 4. Okay, so the need not write like this. Okay, you only write like that. So 3 power minus 4 into 1, the powers are same, so base we have multiply. So 3 into 4, the whole power minus 4. So 3 4s are 12, 12 power of minus 4. Find the value is given, you have write in the expanded form. Okay, write in the expanded form. Here just ask the find, write in the exponential form, applying the multiply or divide on the base with the same exponent only asking. Okay, so I will start with this one. 3 power 4 divide 2 power 4. Okay, so it can written as the second one. Okay, so how can you write 3 power 4 by 2 power 4? It can written as 3 by 2, the powers are same. We have take commonly. Write the power 4. Okay, that's it. And next one of the example. That's it. Now example 4. If a by b is equal to 2 by 3 the whole square divided by 2 by 3 the whole power of minus 3. Find the a by b the whole power 3. Okay, find a by b the whole power 3. I have to find. Okay, so solution. First we have calculate the value of a by b. Okay, so a by b is equal to 2 by 3 the power of 2 divide 2 by 3 the power of minus 3. So how can you write? This is in the form of division, dividing the base with the different powers or common powers, different powers. So we have applied the which one? Quotient law. Okay, the base are same, the power will be different. Okay, so we have applied the quotient law. So what is the law? Base value and powers. What is the formula? A power or x power a divide x power b is equal to x power a minus b. Is it? Here what is the value of a? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3. Now substitute in this formula. X value is 2 by 3. A value is 2 minus b value is minus 3. Okay, so 2 by 3 the power of 2 minus into minus plus 3. So what we get? 2 by 3 the whole power 5. Whole power 5. Now we have found only a by b value. We have to find out the value of a by b the whole power 3. Okay, so a by b the whole power 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, a by b value enama 2 by 3 the whole power 5. A by b value is 2 by 3 the whole power 5. Already we have find out the value of power of 3. So put the whole power 3. Okay, now we have applied the power of power rule. In here write quotient law or rule. Here we have applied the power of power rule. What is that? Power of power rule. Power of power rule means x power a the whole power b is equal to x power ab. Is it? Now substitute. So 2 by 3 the whole power 5 into 3. Is it? So now multiply the powers. So 2 by 3 the whole power 15 is the answer. Okay, that's it. Okay, and next one of the example. Example 5. Find the value of a if 64 into 4 power of 2a is equal to 4 power of 7. Okay, if 64 into 4 power of 2a, okay, equal to, so here the base values are 4, is it? Can you write 64 in the base value of 4? Yes. How can you write 4 power of 3? Everyone known, is it? So 64. How can I write? 4 times. So, okay. So, how many times is possible? 4 times of, okay, 4 times. So, 4 times of, 4 multiplicated thrice a times, okay. We get this 64 and 4 to a is equal to 4 power 7. Now, see this. The bases are same, the powers are different. So, which law we have applied in this place? Product rule. Product rule. What is the product rule? Each and every time you should specify which law we have applied. Okay. So, write in the nearest. So, x power a into x power b is equal to x power a plus b. Okay, so here write 4. What is the a value? 3. B value is 2a. 2a is equal to 4 power 7. Base are same. We have equating the powers. Really listen. Listen carefully in this place. The equal symbol, the powers, both sides having the powers. Okay, the base values are equal. Base values are equal. Compare the powers. Compare the powers. So 3 plus 2a is equal to 7. 3 plus 2a is equal to 7. So what is that value? 2a is equal to 7. 3 come to this side by using transpose method, minus 3. So 4. So 2a. So a is equal to 4 divided by 2. So a equal to 2. Okay, that's it. And next one of the example 6. Express 64 into 6 zeros. 10 lakh into the power notation. Write in the power notation. So how can you write first? 64. Okay, 64 how can you write? Write in the base 2. Okay, because we have need any one of the base or power are equal, then only we have write in the any one of the laws. Okay, so solution, the 10 lakh can be written as 10 power of how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otherwise you will write like this after. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 times 6 times of multiply 10, we get the 10 lakhs into 64. We have to find out the prime factor. The prime number, smallest prime number apply 2. So 64, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times repeated? 2. 64 into 10 lakhs. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times. Now write in the exponential form. So 2, okay, equal to 2. How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times repeated. So 2 power 6 into 10. How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Now the base are different, powers are same. So we have used the seventh law. What is that? Multiplying the base with the same exponent, So multiplying the base values. So 2 into 10, the power of 6. So 20 power of 6. Here, right? Multiplying the base with same power or exponent. Okay, that is, what is the formula? A power x, okay, or x power a into y power a is equal to xy power of a. That's it. And next one, example 7. Compare 6 squared and 2 power 6. Okay. Example. Compare. Compare means which one is greater. Okay. Compare 6 power 2 and 2 power 6. So solution. First one, 6 squared. 6 squared means 6 multiplied twice a time. So 6 6 are 36. And next one, 2 power 6. So 2 multiplied itself how many times? 6 times. Okay, what we get? 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 2s are 64. 64. Which one is greatest value? 2 power 6. Hence 6 power 2 is less than 2 power 6. That's it. Okay. So what we learned today? Today we are learn about the laws of exponent and related examples also we have completed. Okay. I hope you all understood the today concept. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.